The practice of optimizing existing computer code without changing its external behavior is known as A. DLL injection, B. Shimming, C. Data execution prevention, DEP, D. Refactoring. The correct answer is D. Refactoring. A modification introduced to a computer code that changes its external behavior, e.g. to maintain compatibility between a newer OS and an older version of application software, is called A. Shimming, B. DLL injection, C. Refactoring, D. Backdoor. The correct answer is A. Shimming. The term URL hijacking, aka typo squatting, refers to a practice of registering misspelled domain name closely resembling other well-established and popular domain name in hopes of getting internet traffic from users who would make errors while typing in the URL in their web browsers. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Which of the virtualization manager types interacts directly with hardware? A. Type I, B. Type 2, C. Type 3, D. Type 4. The correct answer is A. Type I. In virtualization technology, a software program that manages multiple operating systems, or multiple instances of the same operating system, on a single computer system is called A. Hypervisor, B. Virtual switch, C. Host machine, D. Virtual machine. The correct answer is A. Hypervisor. A type of code saved in the same format as it was entered and interpreted during program execution is called A. Runtime code, B. Inline code, C. Machine code, D. Compiled code. The correct answer is A. Runtime code. A type of code that has already been translated from a high-level programming language into a low-level programming language and converted into an executable file is referred to as A. Script code, B. Compiled code, C. Inline code, D. Runtime code. The correct answer is B. Compiled code. The practice of finding vulnerabilities in an application by feeding it incorrect input is known as A. Baselining, B. Normalization, C. Hardening, D. Fuzzing. The correct answer is D. Fuzzing. A dynamic code analysis allows for detecting application flaws without the need for actual execution of the application code. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is B. False. What type of third-party code poses increased security risks during the application development process? Select all that apply. A. Bloatware, B. SDKs, C. Dead code, D. Libraries, E. Shareware. The correct answers are B. SDKs, D. Libraries. A collection of commonly used programming functions designed to speed up a software development process is known as A. Snap-in, B. Repository, C. Library, D. Container. The correct answer is C. Library. Which of the acronyms listed below refers to a specialized suite of software tools used for developing applications for a specific platform? A. GUI, B. SDLC, C. API, D. SDK. The correct answer is D. SDK. A type of redundant source code producing an output not used anywhere in the application is commonly referred to as A. Inline code, B. Dead code, C. Code bloat, D. Duplicate code. The correct answer is B. Dead code. Code obfuscation techniques rely on encryption to protect the source code against unauthorized access. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is B. False. What is the purpose of code signing? Select two answers. A. Disables code reuse. B. Confirms the application's source of origin. C. Enables application installation. D. Validates the application's integrity. E. Protects the application against unauthorized use. The correct answers are B. Confirms the application's source of origin. D. Validates the application's integrity. What are the countermeasures against SQL injection attacks? Select two answers. A. Code obfuscation. B. Database normalization. C. Stored procedures. D. Code signing. E. Input validation. The correct answers are C. Stored procedures. E. Input validation. The process of removing redundant entries from a database is known as A. Normalization. B. Input validation. C. Baselining. D. Data sanitization. The correct answer is A. Normalization. Which of the following answers refers to a countermeasure against code injection? A. Fuzzing. B. Input validation. C. Code signing. D. Normalization. The correct answer is B. Input validation. Which programming aspects listed below are critical in secure application development process? Select two answers. A. Patch management. B. Input validation. C. Password protection. D. Error and exception handling. E. Application whitelisting. The correct answers are B. Input validation. D. Error and exception handling. A DevOps practice that replaces manual configuration of hardware with automatic deployment through code is called A. IAC. B. Virtualization. C. POS. D. VDI. The correct answer is A. IAC. Which of the following terms refers to a DevOps software deployment approach in which applications and services are redeployed rather than modified whenever a need for introducing a change occurs? A. Security automation. B. Infrastructure as code, IAC. C. Immutable systems. D. Software-defined networking, SDN. The correct answer is C. Immutable systems. The term DevOps refers to a software development strategy that relies on close cooperation between development and IT operations teams during the software development process. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. One of the main premises behind the waterfall software development model is the adaptation to changes during the software development process rather than strict adherence to a well-documented sequence of steps. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. An SDLC model featuring a linear design process consisting of distinct sequential stages is known as A. IAC. B. Waterfall. C. DevOps. D. Agile. The correct answer is B. Waterfall. Which of the answers listed below refer to technical security controls that can be applied to an UAV? Select two answers. A. Air gaps. B. Motion detection. C. Wireless signal encryption. D. Cable locks. E. Password protection. The correct answers are C. Wireless signal encryption. E. Password protection.